So children, here basically what is very important here, like in coordination, is stimulus. Stimulus in the sense whatever the things, with a kind of change which happens in the atmosphere is called as the stimulus. For example, if there's a cool breeze, you'll try to put your hands together, right? So that is, you are showing a response to the stimulus, which is the cool breeze, right? If it is very very hot outside, immediately what you will do is you will try to run inside your house. So that is the response you are showing, right? If it's a weather is very very hot, you will start sweating, isn't it? So that is, sweating is nothing but the response. The hot weather is the stimulus. If a cat sees a mouse, so the mouse will start running and also cat will start running. So mouse here is a stimulus and cat is showing a response here. Okay, so like this there are several responses. Even if you see the what do you call a plant usually grows towards the sunlight. Okay, in the previous classes and also in the classes we have seen an example that you have put a potted plant in a box and all, and you made a hole here so that the sunlight will enter here, and the plant will start growing towards the sunlight. That means the sunlight is the stimulus here and the growth of the plant is the response. And even if you put some light here, okay, and then what happens is all the photosynthetic bacteria, wherever they are, they will start coming towards the light. So each and every organism will show a kind of stimulus, and right. So what are the things that happen in the atmosphere to the stimulus? Every animal will show the response. So if a lion sees a deer, if a tiger sees a deer, then it will start running away, right? That is the that will run away, and that will run and it will catch its prey. If the deer smells some danger, that is a stimulus, and then deer will start running. That is the response. So like this we can see a number of examples of the stimulus and response. So basically coordination is linked with the stimulus and response. These are the two words which you have to remember so that you can understand the complete lesson. Okay children, so now we'll do one more example here, one more activity here. Now what you do is you take a small stick here. You take a small stick here and then you try to hold the other part of the stick. Just put your fingers like this, don't hold it. Ask your friend to hold the stick. Ask your friend to hold the stick. Okay, so he's holding the stick with his hand, with his two fingers, and then what he will do is he will slowly release the stick. So it falls down, and what you have to do is you have to hold the stick exactly at what place where your friend held the stick. So can you do that? Yes. So our brain, our system is able to think in such a fast way. So it will definitely, you will be able to catch the stick. Maybe 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter there, but definitely what you will be able to do is you will be able to catch the stick here. So okay children, so these kind of responses we are showing, the muscular movement here is showing the best response here, right? So the muscles which are in your hand are showing the best response to hold the stick here. So our body also, your body also shows a proper response to each and every stimulus. If a dog, if it is staring at you, if it is snarling at you, what you will do is you will not go in that way, you will try to walk away from there. So that's a stimulus, and immediately you will show the response. If the dog is barking and coming towards you, you will start running away from that situation. Again, you are showing some kind of response. So basically our body definitely shows response and stimulus. For each and every stimulus, your body will show the response.